What's up, you guys? It's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've posted a video. Obviously there's a lot going on in the world right now, so I thought I would share this unboxing with you guys. This is the Erin Condren Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. I ordered this back in February, whenever it was on sale. So I did order this back then and it came in today. So I thought I would unbox this for you guys and show you what is in here. So first off, I actually already know what's in here because I couldn't resist and I watched some other people's videos that had already received the box. So I'm really excited about what's in here and I'm excited to see it in person. So I guess let's just go ahead and get into this. I will say, first off, I know it's been a little bit since I posted a video. There will be videos coming. I've been adjusting to working from home and everything like that. My boyfriend is still working, like he's still going to work at the moment because there's not a lot of people in his office, and then I am currently working from home. So all of that is going fine at the moment. I will probably be doing a video about our current financial plan and all of that good stuff, but for today, let's focus on something happy and pretty and unbox the Spring Erin Condren Seasonal Surprise Box. Okay, so I think usually people talk about how these boxes are really nice and pretty, and I think they're reversible. I actually haven't got one of these boxes before, so I'm not 100% sure. But of course, my post office wrote on the box, so I'm probably not going to keep this box, but I think that is an option. So let's go ahead and just open this guy up. I did already open it a little bit just to make sure that everything was good to go, but this is the box. So the theme of the box is New Beginnings, New Possibilities, which is pretty much what we all need right now. I think 2020 did not get off to the start I think we all hoped it would, but just because things are a little crazy doesn't mean that it can't end up being a great year. So I am excited for this box, and I think this is a great theme for everything that's going on. So this card I just showed you, on the back it tells you everything about all of the different items and how much they're supposed to be worth. So I will be sharing that with you as we go through this. So we're going to start off with the thing that I'm most excited about, and you can see right here, this is a vision journal. So this is a coiled notebook, obviously has a gold coil. I love this cover, love this cover. But this is a exclusive to this box. So this is called the Vision Journal. So this little card that was in the front of it says, "I'm so inspired by the idea of turning 2020 into not just the most organized and productive year, but the start of a truly extraordinary decade." And I am excited to get into this vision journal because from what I have seen of other people unboxing it, this is just what I need in my business right now. Like, I'm trying to get it off the ground. I have enrolled in Elite Blog Academy. Like, I'm doing all the things to take my business to the next level, and I am just really excited to jump into all of that. So this is a really neat vision journal. There's a place to do kind of like a vision board. You can talk about your vision and what it means to you, your plans and actions, and there's just a whole bunch of pages going over different visions and things that you want to get done. So I just think that is really awesome. And in the back there is dot grids note pages and lined note pages. And then you can see there's some quotes sprinkled around. So in the front of this, there's like a bunch of instructions, I guess I'll call them, to kind of help you getting started. So I just wanted to show this a little bit. Oh, there's some sketchbook pages too. That's cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Again, this is an exclusive, so you really won't be able to get this, and it says this was a $31 value. So I'm just going to go in order of this card. The next thing is this cute little planter, and this one is kind of like a grayish, brownish color, I would say. But this is just a cute little ceramic planter. It says this is a $12 value, and this is also an exclusive item. So this is like kind of the Erin Condren mid-century circles pattern. So it's really cute. I'm probably honestly going to use this on my desk here to keep some desk supplies in, just because I don't really I tend to kill plants, so I'm probably not going to plant anything in it, but I really like this. It's pretty nice quality, and I will find some use for it, I'm sure. All right, up next, number 3 is this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead, take it out and show it to you guys. So this is a cleaning checklist. You can see it has the different days of the week, and you can kind of just set it up to organize your cleaning schedule. I probably should use this because I never clean, and my boyfriend ends up doing stuff because whenever we have, not that we'll be having people over anytime soon, because we won't, but whenever we have people over, we always have to rush around and clean. But this is nice. This will probably help give some structure to my things I need to get done, especially working from home now. I can keep things a little bit nicer. So this is cleaning checklist notepad. It is a $10 value, and this is a sneak peek. So I think you should be able to see this on the website at some point. I don't know when, but if it's a sneak peek, you should be able to get it at some point. All right, next up is this petite planner. So I'm gonna open this up as well, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so this is the wildflower pattern, and I really love this. I had this cover, or a similar color scheme of this wildflowers pattern on my business planner for a while, and I just really love it. This is a productivity petite journal, so you can see it has the productivity page set up inside with the bar down the side with the check boxes. So I'm actually probably going to put this in my on-the-go folio that I use for my business, because I'm kind of resetting that up, and there will be a video on that. I don't think I've even done a video on setting that up, so there will be a video. But this, I just think this is really neat. This is really handy, and it says this is an exclusive. It is a $9 value. While this isn't exclusive, I do know that there is a Wonder Woman petite planner that has the productivity layout. So if you want the productivity layout, there is one of the Wonder Woman collaboration journals that is this layout. So you can go get that style. It just isn't this cover, is what I'm guessing the exclusive part of this is. So there is that. Did I say that was a $9 value? Okay, next up we have this neat little thing. So I'm actually really excited about this. Let me open it and then we'll talk about it. So this is a DIY interchangeable pen kit. It says this is an $8.50 value, and this is a sneak peek, so you should be able to get this. So basically, let me show you how this works. So this is the barrel, and basically you put it on and you end up with a double-sided pen. So basically this is like the markers. I don't think oh yeah, I do. This is like the markers from Erin Condren. What are these called? I can't think of what the heck they're called. But you know, they have the marker on one end and the pen on the other end. So this is basically like a do-it-yourself version, and it comes with, so this is like the marker tip, and this one is the marker tip, and then this one, no, I'm wrong. This one is a highlighter tip, it looks like. Here, let me see if you guys can see that at all. See, that's kind of like a chiseled like highlighter. This one is the marker tip, pretty much normal marker tip of an Erin Condren pen. This one is a pen, so you can see that. And then this one is also that chiseled kind of highlighter tip. So I think this is really neat. Actually, this would be really good for like a student, and then they just kind of like screw and unscrew. So if this is something that they're going to be doing and have different tips in the future, I think this is a really great idea, because sometimes I don't want to carry around 500 pens, but I don't want to just use one color pen. So this is honestly a pretty great option. So it says, again, this is a sneak peek, and it is $8.50 value. So next up, there is a productivity washi tape duo. So let me get the plastic off of this, and then I will show you guys what the heck this is. Okay, so here is the washi, if you guys can see this. So it is 2 washi tapes. So these are productivity washi tape. So you can see this has hope you guys can see that. It has times on it. And I think this is meant to be used in like the petite planners to mark off time in like the daily spread. So it looks like it starts at, let's see, I think it starts at 5, yeah, it's 5 a.m. and it goes to 12 a.m. So 5 a.m. to midnight basically is what it looks like. So this is colorful, obviously, and then these are just circle check boxes basically. And these say that they are an exclusive. I know there's a similar washi on the website, but I think it is neutral. So I think these are exclusive because they are colorful. So if you just want something like this, I think there is, I'll link it down below if I think of it. I think there's a neutral version of this. So it says, again, Productivity Washi Tape Duo. It is an exclusive and it is $5.50 value. So there's those. And then finally, the last item in here is the sticker sheet. So I'm gonna take these guys out so that there's not a glare. So these are clear. They're not like they're clear stickers. And I think they're really pretty actually. They kind of go with the wildflower theme. I think they're really pretty. I really like these like spring purpley colors. I like all these colors together. So I am probably going to use these in this journal just because I like how the colors go together. And I don't really use a ton of stickers in any of my other planning, other than like in my budget planner. I'll link that video somewhere so you can see I do very minimal stickers. And then in my business planner, I do functional stickers, and most of them I make myself. So these I'm gonna use for decoration, obviously. So I'm excited to have these, especially I really like this 20 minutes is all it takes. I like that sticker. But it says this is clear sticker sheet. It is an exclusive to this box and it is $4.50 value. So that is everything that was in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and move the box out of the way. So actually, before I move the box, let me show you guys something. So I did read this. It does say this is a reversible box that you can turn inside out and use again. So I do want to show, I love this. So if I can turn this box inside out, I'm going to do it because I like the inside of this a lot more than the outside since my mail person wrote on it, which I know they have to write on them. It's whatever. But I'm probably going to turn this inside out so that I can use it and have this be the centerpiece of whatever I do with it. So I actually really like that. Just wanted to show you guys that in case you were wondering about the box. So let today be the start of something new. That's kind of got to be my motto for the year, I guess. So this is everything that is in the box. I'm actually super glad that this is the first box I ordered because I love all of this stuff. Really excited about this notebook, and honestly getting a petite planner, this is all going to be great. I'm really excited to have got this box of all of them for my first one. So this box is sold out, I'm pretty sure. I don't think you can get this, but just think about the next time there's a seasonal surprise box. Obviously it's a surprise, so you don't know, but this is a good first experience for me, so I probably will be ordering the next one. So hopefully this gave you guys a little bit of something fun to focus on with everything going crazy in the world right now. I hope you guys are all doing okay. Feel free to talk to me on Instagram or anything. I'll have all my social media linked down below. But I hope you guys are doing all right. I will be posting some videos. I'll do a budget update, I'll do a debt update, and I will talk about our current financial situation. And then I will also be doing a video talking about the future of my business because things are changing a little bit. I mentioned earlier in this video I enrolled in Elite Blog Academy, and that is bringing some changes and a little bit different focus for my business. All the personal finance stuff is staying the same. Don't worry about that. All of the videos are going to be staying the same. I should be getting back into filming. Things have just been obviously a little bit crazy. Plus it's my busy season at work. So I have just had to take a bit of a step back. So hopefully this will tide you guys over for a little bit on videos. There will be a new one coming very soon. And I apologize again for the inconsistency, but I hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.